Kumusta uli mga karitim dyan? At ito may bagong na-upload ang paborito nating bandang France Rhythm. At medyo inagahan ko ang pag-react kasi paborito kong kanta to itong Island in the Stream. Ito'y ang sumulat sa kantang to ay The Bee Gees. Dapat to intended para kay Diana Ross itong kantang to. Pero yung bandang huli ni-rework nila, do it na ang nangyari. Kaya ang kumanta si Kenny Rogers saka si Dolly Parton. Ngayon 1983 nila ni-release yung kanta nilang ito ni Kenny Rogers at Dolly Parton, August 1983. Ang Bee Gees naman, nag-release sila ng live version nito noong 1998. Tapos 2001, studio version naman ang release nila. Pero sila ang sumulat ng kantang to. Okay po, pakinggan natin.
Set out to get you with a fire to calm my something inside. There was something going on. You did something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and I feel no pain at the beat of my heart. We did something going on. The love is blind. No conversation, we're right together, making love with each other, Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another. Nothing if you got no one. Did you walk in the night, slowly losing sight of the real thing? That would happen to us if we got no doubt. Too deep in love we get no way out, and the message is clear. This could be the year for the real thing. No more will you cry, baby, I will hurt you never. We start and us one in love forever. We can ride together, making love with each other, Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world. We rely on each other, from one lover to another,
Parang original yung lead ni Chen at lead ni Chen.
Islands in the stream,
Ang galing.
that is what we are.
Kinukopya ni Chen ang original talaga.
How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another, Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me
Galing.
So much for watching.
Galing ng bosisan nila. Galing. Kuhang-kuha. Pati sa instrumento, kuhang-kuha din. Ang galing talaga. Saan ka pa? Kundi dito na sa ating paboritong bandang France Rhythm. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa kung mga cover band ang gusto mong pakinggan, dito ka na sa France Rhythm. At parang original ng pagkakopya. Magagaling sa busisan, magagaling sa instrumento. Kaya maraming followers to, maraming talagang naghihintay kung anong bagong upload. Isa na ako doon. Okay po, hanggang dito na lang at thank you so much sa mga nanonood sa video ko. At yung hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, paki-subscribe naman sa channel ko at paki-share na rin. Thank you so much. Bye for now.